Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to add a second account or how to create a second account in your Clash Royale game. So first, I want you to log in inside the game, and inside the game, I want you to click the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, click the Supercell ID and then click the gear icon here and then log out. Now after logging out, we will be creating our second account. In order for you to create a second account, you just need to click the play without Supercell ID. Here we will be playing the practice games of Supercell or Clash Royale. You just need to finish the walkthrough of this and then set a name for it and connect it to your Supercell ID or register it to your Supercell ID. Now, after finishing the practice games, you can now connect this to your Supercell ID. Click the hamburger icon again, and then click the Supercell ID, and then click the register a Supercell ID. Click the continue button, and then enter the email that you want to use for this creation of your Supercell account. Now it will send a verification code or email. Just simply enter the verification code sent to you. And then create a name for it. Choose an avatar. And that's it. As you can see, it is now already connected to our Supercell account. And that's how you can add or create a second account into your Clash Royale game. And thank you for listening.